Google search CrackU free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, and percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solutions to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello guys, welcome to Cracko video series. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the placement report of the PGP 2021 batch of IIM Lucknow. We'll also be discussing about the batch profile and also the selection criteria of IIM Lucknow. IIM Lucknow has announced the closure of their placement season for the MBA 2021 batch with a 100% placement record. So firstly, let's take a look at their key placement highlights. As we can see, the total number of participants in the batch were 478, and as I just mentioned, they had a 100% placement record this year. The highest domestic CTC of the batch was 51 LPA, and the highest international CTC was 56 lakhs per annum. The average CTC stood at 26 lakh per annum, and their median CTC was 23.5 lakhs. The roles were offered in various domains such as consulting, finance, general management, IT analytics, and so on. And companies from various sectors were involved in the recruitment. So if we look at the companies that were involved, these are the top recruiters among the consulting sector. So we have Accenture, Bain & Company, BCG, McKinsey, and so on. 33% of the roles were offered by the consulting domain. The highest CTC was 35 lakh per annum and the median CTC was 30.1 lakh per annum. Next, if you look at the finance sector, these were the top recruiters. The highest CTC was 44 lakh per annum and the median CTC stood at 27 lakh per annum. Next, we have the general management domain with 11% of the total offers. These were the major companies involved in the recruitment. The highest CTC was 26 and the median CTC 20 lakh per annum. Similarly, if you look at the other sectors, IT and analytics sector offered 24% of the total offers. These were the recruiters involved: Paytm, Microsoft, Flipkart, Amazon, Adobe, and so on. The highest CTC was 51.2 lakh per annum and the median CTC stood at 23 lakh per annum. Next, we have the operations domain with 9% of the total offers. The highest CTC was 44 lakhs and the median CTC 27 plus lakh per annum. Finally, we have the sales and marketing sector with 12% of the total offers. These were the major companies involved here, and the highest CTC was 44 lakhs and the median CTC 21.6 lakhs per annum. So we can see they had a great placement season this year with the highest CTC going up to 51 plus lakh per annum. Okay, now let's look at the batch profile at IIM Lucknow. For the MBA 2021 batch, the batch consisted of students from diverse backgrounds. The program fee for 2 years was around 19 plus lakhs, and as mentioned earlier, the total number of participants in the batch were 478 students, and the percentage of females among this batch was 37% and the percentage of males was 63%. And this was the educational background of the batch. So we had 73 people from IITs, 86 from NITs, 12 students from SRCC, yes, and so on. Now, if you look at the work experience of the batch, there were 141 students with less than 1 year work experience, and students with 1 to 2 years work experience were 104. Then we have 151 students with 2 to 3 years of work experience and 61 students with 3 to 4 years experience. And those who have more than 4 years of experience are only 21 students. And this is the sector-wise work experience of the batch. So they had 43 students from the consulting domain, 43 from the operations, sales and marketing 21, finance 40, IT 126, analytics 23, and 52 students from the other sectors. So finally, let's look at the selection criteria at IIM Lucknow. So firstly, they shortlist the candidates based on their CAT score, and these are the cutoffs for various categories. So we have this 85, 85, 85 in each section and overall 90 percentile for the general category. Then we have the EWS and the NCOBC category with 77 in each section and 82 percentile overall, and then the SC category with 55 percentile in each section and 70 percentile overall. Next, we have the ST PWD categories with 50 percentile in each section and 65 percentile overall. And apart from your CAT score, these are the various other parameters based on which they shortlist the candidates for the interviews. As we can see, the CAT score is given a 60% weightage Your 12th and the graduation marks are given 10% each. Work experience is given 10% weightage, and then academic diversity 5%, and gender diversity is given a 5%. So this sums up to 100%. And these scores given to these various parameters, for example, the marks in graduation, this will be normalized as per the academic discipline, such as engineering, science, commerce, arts, and others. So based on your academic discipline, these scores will be normalized, and then you'll be given a certain weight. We also made a detailed video on the selection criteria of each of the top IIMs. We are providing a link to that video in the description. So you can watch that video for more information on how exactly these weights are calculated. Okay, so finally, once they shortlist the candidates in stage 1, we have the stage 2 of the selection process. So this is nothing but the final selection. So these are the different parameters based on which the final selection will be done. So again, as we can see, your CAT score is given a weightage of 30, and then a total weight of 10 is given to your 12th and graduation marks, and the diversity factor is given a weightage of 5, work experience 5, and the personal interview is given the highest weightage of 40. So based on these parameters, the final selection of the candidates will be done. These were the placement highlights and the batch profile of the PGP 2021 batch of IIM Lucknow, and also the selection criteria. Thank you so much.